How to recover data from WeChat. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover data from WeChat. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to restore the WeChat chat, in order to do that, you need to back up your chat. For that, you just need to go to the Me section after you have logged it into your WeChat application. You can see the Me option at the bottom after Chats, Contacts, Discover. At the right side of the corner, you can see Me. Simply click on it and you'll be led to your profile where you'll be finding your settings here. So you're just going to head over to the settings and go to the chat section. After that, you'll be able to find the backup option there. So you're just going to select the data that you want to back up, like personal account data, contacts data, moments data, favorites data, location, and login data. After that, you need to select the data that you want to back up in order to restore it if in case you need it sometimes. So you're just going to click on next. After that, click on OK, and your data should start exporting. So in order to restore your data, you need to have your data first of all restored. Then only you will be able to restore your data. You need to have your data backed up in order to restore it. After that is done, you should be able to back up your data easily. After that, you just need to open up After that, you just need to open a WhatsApp in a new device, either your computer or PC. And on the very first page, you will be able to see a backup option if you have logged in to your old account. You just need to click on backup or restore. And if you have restored or back up your data, you will be able to see your chats as it is on WeChat. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to restore data on WeChat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.